want to talk about that I am the heir who with the heritage of Somaliland kingdom. As I am Mr. Ali Hudaydi Ismail Hussein, a famous, a celebre actor, film star, movie star, and security officer and artist. I want to talk about that I am the heir who wait for the heritage of Somaliland kingdom. As I greet all the best salutations, so that as about 15 years I am one of the detainees-prisoners who were the soldiers of President General Mohamed Ziya'd Barre, whose party was Somali Revolutionary Socialist Flower Party, who were captured by Kulmis factionist movements, rebellions, rebels, bad-doers in 1988 till now 2025. I do not know whom would declare the secret and chance which my lady Hudaydi Ismail Hussein, who died peace of Allah and good be upon him, was the king of Somaliland, in the good of the securities as the police and artists and music, and the king one of the United Kingdom, and just a film star, movie star. So that and therefore, when the Isaque-tribe and Darod-tribes Harti, who are Warsangalis and Majerten and Dishishe and DHulbahante, who are together our enemy-hostile, who are Ethiopia, Amhara, Habesha, and Kulmis factionist movements, rebellions, rebels, bad-doers. When this faction is here and understood the secret and chance which was that my daddy, Hudaydi Ismail Hussein, was the king of Somaliland in the good of the securities, as the police and arts and music and the king one of the United Kingdom and the film star, just a movie star. They kidnapped me when they hear that. They kidnapped me as a detainee-prisoner with their Islam terrorism skills. About 50 years, I am and live in a small village town in Somalia Sanag, in Africa Somalia Sanag, which its name is Badhan, which is settled by Darod Harti Warsangali tribe, where economically and about all I can feel hard and difficult and dangerous and fearfully, very fearfully. I can feel about the life. Where economically about all and the life I can feel hard and difficult and dangerous and fearful and careful. As I do not have even a coin of money to consume for the life, as this armed bandits robbed and stole and took by force all my properties of even before I was not born telepathically from where I died from or I was interred. Or I was interred before I was not born. As everybody's name looks like, mispronunciation looks like his image, the Arabic and Somali word mahkama, which is in English the court, looks like the image of my daddy, Hudaydi Ismail Hussein. So that and therefore, mahkama is the name of my daddy, Hudaydi. My objective point is that I can see all in the eyes. I can see all in the eyes as a witness. I can see all in that as a witness, even the dreams awake. As I can think only the mahkamas, the courts, as I can think only the mahkamas, the courts only see in the eyes as a witness, even what they are not there. We do not tell to the mahkamas or the court about what they are not there because they can see in the eyes as I can see. Mahkama, the Arabic Somali word mahkama in English is the court, so mahkama is the name of my dady, whom the mahkamas and the courts has its origin or whom created them. I come in extraordinarily and fearfully, carefully. I watch in the eyes my family's friends and all I love being killed and assassinated with homicides, which are actions to kill the humans. As sometimes they be eaten. I come in, they be devoured and robbing and forcing all my properties, mostly in the Somali international monetary affairs is banks rob with their armed bandits rob mine by force. By those whom I do not recognize, whom most of them are armed bandits, bad-doers, who are Kulmis factions, movements, rebellions, or rebels, bad-doers, and Islam terrorists, who are the enemy-hostile of us, the artists, actors, securities, film stars, who are stars more famous and celebre than the planets, stars Saturn and Mars and Jupiter, and is where we are. Where I can think we are is as respectively and respectful. We are the stars, whom the soldiers as the officials, as the security officials, we're on their uniform, clothes. As I do not know why as I do not know all in the banks as the Somali International Monetary Affairs banks agree and be a good term whom who rob and take mine by force. At the current time, my Amal Somali International Monetary Affairs Bank, which I watch in the eyes whenever they be robbed or stolen or taken by force, I see in the eyes my account bank being stolen. In the banks of the world as the Somali International Banks, monetary affairs, they agree with the bandits who take mine by force or steal. So my account which being robbed and stolen, his number is his number is 00252. The first the bank name is Amal Somali International Monetary Affairs Bank. So this account of me which I watch in the eyes extraordinarily when they be robbed or stolen by force. My account is 00. No, it's not 00. My account is 225104 959447. I repeat, my account number is 225100. No, I repeat, my account number is 225104959447. With this address of me, Africa Somalia Sanag Badhan, with my portable phone or cellular or mobile number, which is 00252906242054. I don't know if anyone if anyone add me, contacted this address and my account number as humanitarian aid, if anyone can add me. As a secret agents, we confessed the Kulmis factionist movements, rebellions or rebels in Somalia, what is lie and do not exist that many countries in the world as the African country named Gambia, which are presided by Baba General Mohamed Ziya'd Barre, are new countries which are discovered nowadays. Gambia is not discovered by nowadays, but I can mean the world should hide. The world should hide about them and to do not explain anything to the factionists, movements, rebels, rebellions, bad-doers. We keep secret from the factionists. As the Kulmis ones, if you do not understand its writing, when the world aid me and secure me, they put sometimes in my account, but as I watch, as the courts watch in the eye, even the dreams awake, right now I watch in the eye my properties, my banks, be stolen by Islam terrorists, many Somalis, infections, something like that. So that I want, even they robbed my heritage, as I can think that my dady was the king of Somaliland, who died, was the king of Somaliland. I am the heir, with the heritage of many kingdoms, which Somaliland is one of them.